Hello, welcome to the virtual reality training environment. Now you are at the control room. Here we will be able to monitor all the plant operations. From here on, you will be guided through virtual instruction cards and audio feedback to learn the procedure. Now, let's move around the control room to have a look at the various equipment in the room. Click Next here to proceed further. Now let's move near the Unit 3 control area to proceed further. Now here we can see the Unit 3 flue gas overview OWS display. Here we can monitor various parameters and unit performance live. Please click on the info icons on the screen to learn more about the equipment. Once you have completed the introduction, please click Next to proceed further. Primary air preheat array. An air preheater is a device designed to preheat the air before it enters the boiler. The purpose of the air preheater is to recover the heat from the boiler flue gas, which increases the thermal efficiency of the boiler by reducing the useful heat lost in the flue gas. The primary air preheater preheats the primary air coming from PA fan. Secondary air preheat array. The secondary air preheater preheats the secondary air coming from FD fan. Flue gas from primary and secondary air preheat array. Flue gas from primary and secondary air preheater B. ESP pass C inlet gate 1. ESP pass C inlet gate 2. An electrostatic precipitator is a filtration device that removes fine particles, like dust and smoke, from a flowing gas using the force of an induced electrostatic charge, minimally impeding the flow of gases through the unit. ESP pass C outlet gate 1. ESP pass C outlet gate 2. Induced draft fan A. Induced draft fan B. Chimney. A chimney is a structure for venting hot flue gases or smoke from a boiler, stove, furnace or fireplace to the outside atmosphere. Now we are going to start the isolation of the ESP Pass C. For this we need to first close the flue gas inlet gate of ESP Pass C. Please click the flue gas inlet gate 1 symbol of ESP C to open the operation tile. Now please click the close button on the panel, to close the gate. You can observe the gate color to change from red to green on the computer screen. Now please press the Acknowledge button, if any failure is shown. Once clicked, please wait for the gate to close and turn green. Now we need to close the flue gas inlet gate 2 of the ESP Pass. Please click the flue gas inlet gate 2 symbol of ESP-C to open the operation tile. Now please click the close button to close the gate. Now please press the Acknowledge button, if any failure is shown. Once clicked, please wait for the gate to close and turn green. Now we need to close the flue gas outlet gate 1 of ESP Pass C. Please click the flue gas outlet gate 1 symbol of ESP-C to open the operation tile. Now please click the close button to close the gate. You can observe the gate color to change from red to green on the computer screen. Now please press the Acknowledge button, if any failure is shown. Once clicked, please wait for the gate to close and turn green. Now we need to close the flue gas outlet gate 2 of ESP Pass C. Please click the flue gas outlet gate 2 symbol of ESP-C to open the operation tile. Now please click the close button to close the gate. Now please press the Acknowledge button, if any failure is shown. Once clicked, please wait for the gate to close and turn green. Now we have completed the operations over here on the OWS display. Next, we have to move to the iOS system room for switching off the ESP fields of Pass C and putting the wrappers in continuous wrapping mode from remote. Here you can see the Bapcon status display. You can move around the room to have a look. Click on the info icons to know more about the ESP field status under the Bapcon status display. Please click Next to proceed further. ESP field voltage. ESP field current. ESP field on or off indicator. Bapcon panel local or remote indication. Field number or nomenclature. Now you have to click on the command option and then select Bapcon. Now the user credentials have to be entered to log in. Now we can see the command to Bapcon dialog box. Now we have to select the corresponding Bapcon number. For ESPC that is 37 to 54, by using the selection tool. Please press the down button to arrive at the correct Bapcon number. Now we can notice the corresponding field has been selected and the parameters are displayed. Now we have to change the transformer power to off mode, by clicking on the button. Now we have to click the send button. Here if the selector panel switch is in local mode then communication error will appear and the transformer power off is to be done from local location. Similarly, we have to perform the same operation to switch off all the ESP fields in ESP Pass C. Now you have to click on the command option and then select Bapcon. Now the user credentials have to be entered to log in. Now we can see the command Bapcon dialog box open. For ESP Pass C Bapcon 5 and 6 should be put in continuous wrapping mode. Now we have to select Bapcon 5. Now we are performing the wrapping operation from the remote location. For continuous wrapping, please enter 0 in the time factor and click Send button. The same operation has to be performed for EPCON 6. Now click the display command to open the drop-down box. Now click the status command followed by BAPCON display command. Now select the RIPCON number as 5. Now we can see all the running wrappers showing auto mode and green indication on the iOS screen. Ensure the running status of other 9 CERMs, 9 EERMs and GDRMs under EPCON 6 is checked for EPCON 5. The wrapping operation is done for 1 to 2 hours for cleaning the collecting and emitting electrode surfaces. Now we have to move to the CERM physical location near ESP hopper top to physically check the rotation of CERM shaft through visual inspection. Now click the menu button on your left controller to open the map to move to the next location. Now click the CERM floor location to move over there.